Hey guys, today I'm making my perfect Italian chicken sandwich, made using sun-dried tomato pesto. This really is a special one, so make sure you watch right to the end. Right, let's start with our chicken breast. Go ahead and slice through the center of the breast. You should be left with 2 thin cutlets. Top your cutlets with some plastic wrap, and using your fist, gently punch into the chicken to help even it out to about 1 centimeter thick. It should look like this, or 1 complete thickness. This will ensure it cooks evenly. Place your chicken in a bowl and generously top with some good quality sun-dried tomato pesto. And massage this into the chicken, ensuring that each cutlet is covered in pesto. Don't be afraid to get your hands messy, this is the only way to do this. Then pour some breadcrumbs into a tray and place in your cutlets. Breading your chicken will be easy, as the breadcrumbs will stick right onto that pesto. Again, make sure that they are well covered on both sides. While we let our breaded chicken rest, I'm going to start on the other components of my sandwich. Starting with my favourite part, the mozzarella. Crush a clove of garlic and rub into an empty plate. Then top with some olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and squeeze on some fresh lemon juice. Slice your mozzarella into centimeter thick slices and rub it into your plate. The mozzarella is going to pick up that garlic and absorb all that flavour. Then grab a handful of spinach and dress with salt, pepper, lemon juice and olive oil. Get your hands in and make sure each leaf is packed with flavour. Finally, slice some tomato. Then toast some brioche buns on a dry pan. This is going to be a heavy sandwich, so toasting your buns will make sure the bread doesn't get soggy. Right, go ahead and add some oil to your pan and place in your chicken. Remember to place the chicken away from you, as this will prevent any chance of hot oil spitting your way. Keep the temperature at medium and allow it to cook for 2 minutes per side. Keep checking to ensure the breadcrumbs aren't burning, and when they look like this, then go ahead and flip. Perfect. Once your cutlets are ready, remove them from the heat and place onto a board to rest. Right, let's start building our burger. Let's go on with some mayonnaise on both top and base of the bun. Grab a handful of your spinach and place that on the base of the bun. And top with your beautiful chicken cutlet. Add your marinated mozzarella and sliced tomatoes. Finally, let's crown this masterpiece. Outstanding. Right, let's get stuck in. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons now and leave your comments below. This seriously is absolutely effing delicious.